Hello Allah.
Welcome back to Hala Foothies.
So today we are going to one of the most overrated and best fast food chains in Saudi Arabia.
Even though this is not a sponsored video, we decided to try it because we love it. So, without wasting any time, roll the montage.
Yes, it is BAIK.
We have got some popular stuff from there.
To spice things up, we have got everything spicy. And they are
Chicken broasted,
the chicken nuggets
chicken fillet burger,
and the chicken sandwiches.
Guys, we are finally done. Where do we even start with?
We have at least tried this unbelievably amazing food once in our lifetime.
Everything as expected was extremely delicious.
The two factors that attract people to BAIK is the affordability and the unique taste.
Usually, a broasted costs 17 riyal outside and it might not even be that good. But BAIK provides all of this amazingness for only 14 riyals.
The broasted and the nuggets are the go-to for all people, and spicy ones are much better.
The sandwiches are pretty good. We tried it and we are surprised that it was only 4 riyals. You guys should definitely try it.
Something we wouldn't recommend in BAIK is the shawarma, because it's a little bit soggy.
But overall, BAIK is BAIK and it is tasty as ever.
So thank you for watching our video. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back with a new video soon. Till then,
Bye,
Foothies.